Good morning, YouTube. How many people were late to work every day? Not this guy. So, I'm doing an exhaust inspection, right? Caleb said the front end's making noise. How long you think that bolt's been hanging out of the fucking rack and pinion? It's been hanging out so long it ruined the rack and pinion bushing. See the bushings torn out?
Yeah.
Right at 11 o'clock. You think their regular mechanic is good at what he does? I don't think so. How do you not notice that? Like, hello, hi, right there, right there. Yeah, the request was exhaust. So let's lower it down and see when the last time it was in for service. Just curious, just curious. You curious? $132,148. So it was just in for service. $132,148. $129,199. So it was just at another shop, right? And you think they would say, "Hey, Mr. Customer, you know your rack and pinion's falling out of your car?" You think the customer would say, "Hey, what is it going to take to fix that?" Right? Unfucking believable. That's a couple turns from snapping the rack and pinion in half.